Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. Kaizer Chiefs versus Zamalek. It's a huge one. We can't lose. All we need is to avoid defeat. Then we are through to the quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup, which would be a great thing. You know, it's not going to be an easy game away to Zamalek. Egypt is a very, very difficult place to go to. We went there this season against Al Masri. It was not a difficult atmosphere to play against because Al Masra, no, they are not a big team in Egypt, unlike Zamalek, who are the second biggest club in Egypt. So the atmosphere is going to be crazy. It's going to be very, very difficult to play under those circumstances. The referees, the fans, lasers. So it's going to be a very, very tough one. But it's a test. We should be up for it. This is a game whereby I'm not expecting us to play good football, to be good on the eye. I don't care about all that. Even if we pack the bus 90 minutes, I'm not going to come here and complain about that. All I care about in this game is the result. So let's go out there. Let's be difficult to play against. Let's make things difficult. Let's pack the midfield, force them wide. Let's just be good off the ball. We will get some good moments. That's why I want to see individual brilliance from the players. I want to see them taking responsibility, but our main priority should be defending well, and we've been defending well so far this season. So this is a game whereby our defense has to make sure. We have to make sure. I think if um, we don't concede, obviously we can't concede without you can't lose without conceding. So if we don't concede, we're definitely getting a point or three. Then we are through to the quarterfinals. Al Masry are definitely going to beat Zesco. Zesco are a dead team. They are playing for nothing. So there are no favors here. We just have to win this game. So in the team news, Inacio Miguel and Eden McCarthy are out for this one. They both didn't travel with the team. I'm only talking about them because they were going to start if they were fit. So they are out. So this is the predicted starting 11. I've gone with, obviously, in goals, Peterson. I've gone with Chavis Omniane on the right. What I've realized about these coaches is if they want to attack in a game, they play Dylan Solomons because he's got the engine, can run up and down. But when they are cautious, they are going to play Chavis Omniane. So I think Chavis Omniane starts. Then on the left, Paseka Marco is the obvious option. Kanyiso Shinga has traveled with the team, but he is definitely not going to make his first start in this sort of game. So Paseka Marco goes there, and the center back pairing, Zita Gwinika and Kevin Simango, they are the only two fit center backs. Zita Gwinika has been fantastic this season. Kevin Simango hasn't played much, but he should have done better, way better, against Al Masry for that equalizer. As a defender, you can't be calculating the ball for so long. Just throw yourself onto the ball, hit the ball away. You don't need to calculate the ball as if you want to connect well. Just connect with the ball and send it away. So he will have to be on his best in this game. We need him to be on his best. He's the only option. So yeah, that's the two center back pairing. Then in the middle of the park, of course, the Wang Mabu and Special Ndlovu. No reason to change that. And then Tutu Shabalala, I think he starts as the 10. Yeah, I think he starts as a 10. Because I was thinking maybe they'll want to play with a more defensive minded player in that midfield in order to provide stability in defense. But we don't have that player with Spungsen Mchecho out. Chawocele can play deep, he's also out. Maybe we can see Chulan Mabaso, but I don't think so. I don't think they'll be willing, to risk him in this game. So Tutu Shabalala goes there on the right, Tlodi Lilepo, on the left, Pule Modi. We know Modi plays more of a wing back, so this is his game. We want to defend, and he is doing well defensively, so he starts. And then up front, of course, Flavio Silva, 2 goals in his last two, both from the spot. Yeah, that's the team. It's going to be a very difficult game, as I've said, but I trust the boys to get at least a draw. Let's get at least a draw and move to the quarterfinals. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Like, subscribe. I'm out.